If you want to learn practically how to do image file optimization for top rankings and better search appearance, then this video is just for you. Hello everyone and welcome back to makblogs SEO content writing course. I am your dedicated instructor from makblogs and I am thrilled to have you here for lecture number 52. Today we are diving into the practical aspects of image file optimization for achieving top search rankings. In this hands-on lecture, we will guide you through the process step by step. So get ready to move to your screens and see how it's done. But before we proceed further, I want to let you know that you can access the complete makblogs SEO content writing course playlist by clicking the link in the description box or using the I option above. So let's get started. Now let's shift our focus towards the screen and see how this is done in practice. Watch closely. Begin by selecting any image file that you want to use in your project. Like this, we will use this thumbnail. This image can come from your own design. Like this, our team designed this thumbnail. Downloads from Google or any other source. Then ensure that the image is in JPEG format. See, this one is a JPEG file, item type JPEG file. See, it's here. If it's in PNG format, you can easily convert it to JPEG using softwares like Photoshop. Before proceeding, rename the file with the title that represents the image's main purpose, where it will be used or the context it meant for. This title is crucial for optimizing the image for websites, YouTube or any other platform. We will change this title. Our today's title is this. We will copy it from here and paste it here. Delete that one and paste. See, it's renamed now. Now begin by right-clicking on the image file and select Properties. In the Details tab of the Properties window, follow these steps. First, title. Enter the same title you used for renaming the file. This title should align with the content where the image will be used. We will delete this one and we will change it from our title. Now, subject. Input the same title in the subject section. See, I added. Now, rating. Set the rating to 5 star. Click on this last star. It will be 5 star. It will change yellow and this is 5 star rating now. Tags. See, tags. Start with your brand name as the first tag. Like our brand name is makblogs. Type makblogs and then press enter. It will be added like this. Then add 3 to 4 relevant tags to improve search appearances. You can add more if needed. These tags should be directly related to the image's content. You can manually add tags or use AI assistants. For AI assistants, open a chat with an AI like ChatGPT and ask it to suggest tags related to your title. See, copy and paste each suggested tag into the tag section, pressing enter after each one. Copied it from here and paste it here, press enter. Hit edit, copy this one as well and paste it here, press enter. I will copy another one, paste it here and then press enter. See, these tags are successfully added. Now come towards the author. Enter your brand name such as makblogs in the author section. Our brand name is makblogs. That's why makblogs is here. You can add your own brand name here. You can use this process of image file optimization for YouTube, for websites or any other platform, right? Leave the other options unchanged and click OK. These changes constitute the optimization process for the image. Now your image is ready for use with improved search appearance. See, all the changes are here now. You have just witnessed how to practically optimize an image file for top rankings. When executed correctly, image file optimization can significantly enhance your website's performance, user experience, and overall SEO. Stay tuned for our upcoming lessons where we will continue to explore advanced SEO content writing techniques. To enhance your learning experience, please subscribe, like this video if you found it helpful, and engage in discussions by leaving comments and asking questions. Thank you for joining us in lecture number 52, where we have demonstrated how to perform image file optimization for top rankings in the world of SEO. If you need professional digital services like SEO, content writing, and more, visit our website or contact us now. We are here to support your online success. Keep learning and get ready for our upcoming lessons. Your journey to becoming a skilled SEO content writer continues.